Hey guys, good morning. It's Coach David here with Trading Friends. And for nearly a decade now, I've had people ask me, why do you teach this? Like, if you're so great at it, why are you teaching it? And it's because I enjoy teaching. My cousin owns a jiu-jitsu school and he's been teaching for 30 years. And people say, well, if you're so good at it, why don't you fight professionally? Well, hell, he's almost 60 years old. He's like me. I mean, why are you on here doing this, David? I mean, can you not accept the fact that I just enjoy watching people learn? Some people are just coaches and mentors and teachers by nature. And you'll never find an elementary school teacher that says, oh my God, I got into teaching because I'm going to become independently wealthy and financially free. This doesn't happen. So you first got to start with your mindset. So I offer 6 free classes just to see if you're going to have the mindset that's needed to learn how to trade. I'm not going to promise you you're going to get rich quick. I'm not even going to promise you can learn how to do this. But I promise you that I will give you 6 free classes, which is going to equate to about 6 hours of my time. Now, why would I do that, right? That doesn't make any sense. I do it because I love doing it, right? I don't have anything else to do. I can get in here and trade in the morning for a couple hours, make the money that I want to make trading. Most of the time, I don't even trade, if I'm just being honest with you. I don't need to. But I do it because I enjoy watching the light bulb go off when somebody says, oh my God, I've been trying to do this for 2 months or 2 years, and it just now finally clicked. It doesn't happen for everybody. Some people still can't make it. But if you really want to learn how to trade and you're not looking for some get rich quick scheme, and you're tired of getting on YouTube and watch these people say, I did this and I done that and look at me go and boy howdy am I really doing awesome. Who in the hell wants to hear that? I don't, right? So do you want to learn how to trade? That's the question. It's real simple. Do you want to learn how to trade? First question. And if you say, yeah, I do, then sign up for the free course, right? It's 6 free classes. And at the end of those 6 free classes, I promise you, you will have the ability to make an educated decision. And that educated decision is simple. Can I learn how to do this? Do I have the time to learn how to do this? Do I have the money to start this journey? Right? So it's not get rich quick. Please don't click the button if you're planning on buying a yacht on Thursday. Today's Monday. Okay. It's not going to happen. Can you learn how to trade and potentially buy a yacht? Absolutely. If you have the capital to make the trade, but you're not going to be able to start a lemonade stand with one lemon. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do it, it's not going to cost you anything to figure out if you can. So just show up. It's that simple. The hardest part is showing up. I'm available from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I do free private sessions. The rest of the time, I'm probably going to be playing golf or tinkering with the car outside. I enjoy free time. Okay. For those of you that don't know me, I almost got killed in a motorcycle wreck. And when you're that close to death, you rearrange your priorities, and money is not a priority to me. Coaching and teaching is a priority to me, right? So, you know, I don't know I don't know anymore. I can't tell you any more than what I'm telling you. You can go to the website, you can click around, you can text me, you can email me. I'll even answer your phone call. Most of the time, if I don't answer, leave a message and I'll call you back. If you call me and don't leave a message, don't expect me to call you back. But, you know, I am a one-man band. I enjoy helping people meet their goals. That's it. It's no hidden agenda. It's not get rich quick. You'll never find an elementary school teacher that says they do it for the money, right? And I don't do it for the money either. So if I can help you, let me know. I'll see you soon. Maybe. Peace.